whatever we can see around us having different shapes like windows, doors, water bottle, mobile phone. Some of them are of square shaped, some of them are rectangle, some are cylindrical. Today our chapter is about square. We will learn some new facts about square. How many squares? Book 5, Math Magic. I am Niharika Fadia from Hills High School, Eagar.
How many squares? A dotted sheet is given here, children, and you have to join one dot to another by one, and it will make squares, and then you will count all the squares. Measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such square. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, ये मैंने आपको आंसर पेज दिया है। हमको एक स्क्वायर का, ये 1 सेंटीमीटर का एक स्क्वायर है और ऐसे 12 स्क्वायर यूज़ करके अलग अलग रेक्टेंगल्स बनाने हैं। तो जैसे मैंने ये ए रेक्टेंगल बनाया है, बी बनाया है, सी बनाया है और नीचे 4 रेक्टेंगल्स और अलग बनाए हैं। यहाँ पे इसमें 2 रेक्टेंगल्स आर ऑफ साइज 1x12। आप देख सकते हो जो ऊपर ए और बी है वो 1x12 साइज के हैं। वन रेक्टेंगल इज ऑफ साइज 2x6 सेंटीमीटर और जो एक साइड में जो रेक्टेंगल है वो 2x6 यानी 6×2 12 सेंटीमीटर का वो एक रेक्टेंगल है। 4 रेक्टेंगल्स आर ऑफ साइज 3x4। जो आपको नीचे दिखाई दे रहे हैं 4 रेक्टेंगल्स वो 3×4 12 सेंटीमीटर के हुए। दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स आर 2 + 1 + 1 = 7. So here the answer is 7 rectangles. We are having 3 types of rectangle here. So we will find the parameter of 3 types of different rectangles. The first rectangle is of size 1, length and breadth is 12. So the formula of finding the parameter is 2 in bracket length plus breadth, and length is 1 plus 12 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13, and 13 twos are 26. So first type of rectangle have the perimeter is 26 centimeter. Just like this, another rectangle having 2 into 6 centimeter. I mean 2 is length and 6 is breadth. So we will add 2 plus 6, that is 8, and 8 twos are 16 centimeter. That is the parameter of another rectangle. And the third type of parameter having length and breadth is equal to 3 fours are 3 multiply 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and 7 twos are 14. So third parameter having length, I mean perimeter, is 14 centimeter. So which of these rectangle has longest perimeter? We can see the first type of rectangle whose perimeter is 26 centimeter has the longest parameter, and the smallest parameter is of 14 centimeter. Students, in this picture we can see different type of stamps. Look at these interesting stamps. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? Look at here, stamp A. How many squares it has? 6 and 3 in line. 6 threes are 18. Total 18 square it has. And stamp B has 4 twos are 8 square. Okay. Question number B. Which stamp has the biggest area? Students, A and B, in both of them, which stamp has biggest area? So stamp A is the answer because it has 18 square centimeter. How many square of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? How much is the area of the biggest stamp? यानी कि ये जो biggest stamp है इसमें से वो कितना एरिया कवर करता है? Because the each square has 1 centimeter and each square covers 1 centimeter square. So the biggest stamp is equal to 18 square centimeter. Which two stamps have the same area? You can see, students, in D and in F. there are equal squares. 4 threes are 12. So D and F having same area. How much is the area of each of these stamps? So just because 4 threes are 12, the area is 12 square centimeter. Question D. The area of the smallest stamp is what? Smallest stamp E. In E we have 4 square. So the area of smallest stamp is 4 square centimeter. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is, see children, the biggest stamp having 18 square centimeter and the smallest square having 4 square centimeter. So the difference in between 18 and 4 is equal to 16 centimeter square. So the answer is 16 square centimeter. Now you can do the activity. You can collect some old stamps and place them on the square grid and find the area of the perimeter. आप उन stamps को ऐसे grid में रख के उसका area find कर सकते हैं. The next page. Guess which has the bigger area, one of your footprints or the page of this book. Children, आपका footprint or the page of this book. Which is the bigger area? Which has the bigger area? This page of this book has the bigger area. B. Which has the smaller area? 25 rupees note together or 100 rupees note? 100 rupees note has bigger area. Number C. Look at a 10 rupees note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? No, the area of 10 rupees note is less than 100 square centimeters. D. Is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? See, two shapes are given here. One is square and other is like triangle, but it is the divided of the square. Okay, so no, the area of blue shape is equal to the area of yellow shapes. See, ये दोनों के जो areas हैं वो दोनों बिल्कुल equal हैं. E. Is the parameter of the yellow shape more than the parameter of the blue shape? क्या यहाँ पे जो yellow shape का parameter है उसका parameter blue shape से ज़्यादा होगा या नहीं होगा? No, the parameter of yellow shape is less than the parameter of the blue shape. This can be proved by measuring their boundaries by ruler or by thread. हम ruler से इसके चारों जो sides हैं square के और इस triangle के उनको measure करके ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि किसका parameter ज़्यादा है. How big is my hand? Now we are having an activity. Trace your hand on the squared sheet on the next page. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आपको एक स्क्वायर शीट दे रखी है, उस पर आपको अपना हैंड जो है वो ट्रेस करना है. हाउ विल यू डिसाइड हुज हैंड इज बिगर, योर हैंड और योर फ्रेंड्स हैंड? आपको अपना और अपने फ्रेंड दोनों के हैंड्स को अलग अलग ट्रेस करके और अलग अलग एरियाज इन स्क्वायर्स जो दे रखे हैं ना उनका पैरामीटर, उनका एरिया, पैरामीटर इज डिफरेंट बट एरिया फाइंड करके और पता लगाना है कि किसका हैंड जो है वो बिगर है, आपका या आपके फ्रेंड का. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ योर हैंड स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर? आप जितने बॉक्स में आपका हाथ आएगा उन सारे फुल जो बॉक्स हैं वो फुल बॉक्स को अलग से काउंट करोगे और जो हाफ हाफ वाले बॉक्स कितने हैं उन हाफ हाफ वाले बॉक्सेस को अलग से काउंट करेंगे और उसके बाद जो हमारे फुल बॉक्स हैं और वो और जो हाफ बॉक्स है उनको प्लस करके हम इसका एरिया स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में निकाल सकते हैं. एरिया हम हमेशा स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर या स्क्वायर मीटर में ही लिखेंगे.